Hi everyone, so nice that you're here. Today I'm unboxing a mini planner from Succes Agenda, which is a Dutch brand, I believe. The design of the cover is by Fred de la Bretoniere, which actually sounds French, but it's a Dutch designer, and he also designs bags and shoes, I believe. And it was Job from Job's Journal who actually inspired me to buy this. I watched a video of him unboxing Filofax mini Malden, and it looked so nice, and I was like, okay, I don't really need this, I think, but it's so nice. I need to get one of those. But when I was browsing for Filofax and mini planners, I stumbled across this mini. It's the same size actually as the mini of the Filofax brand, but this is from the Succes Agenda, so it's obviously a different brand, but the same size. So in the end I chose this one, obviously. What I really liked about this planner is the design with the leather strap where you close it. I don't know if it's the most practical, way of closing a planner. They did also offer one that had like the snap closure, but I really like this design, so I was just gonna get this one. This is a 5-ring planner. I think the paper size is the same as the Filofax one, but I do believe the rings are positioned differently, so I don't think the paper is interchangeable. This planner came with a small plastic page flag that you can easily move around in the planner. It also came with a calendar, so it has the week spread out over 2 pages. It also came with a few index tabs that I show here. And the planner on the inside has a few slots for cards, which is very convenient. It can hold 6 cards, so 3 in the front and 3 in the back. The pen loop on this planner is really nice, I think, because it does have elastic on the back. The leather really reminds me of the Traveler's Notebook leather. I own a Traveler's Notebook, and the thickness of the leather is almost the same. And I also think the design actually, the minimalistic design is quite similar, and that's what I really like. I mean, I think this leather will age really well. Thank you so much for watching, and who knows, maybe this video will inspire you to also buy a mini planner. If so, let me know in the comments which one you got, and yeah, hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!